single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make.
Hey everybody, Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other things. So this week I am doing a marinated teriyaki skirt steak cook. I got this recipe from a friend of mine. She had made it and sent me the marination recipe. So what I'm going to do is I got this bottom round thinly sliced meat, and I'm going to marinate it overnight in this teriyaki marinade, and then we're going to skewer it and we're going to grill it up on the Weber kettle. Do some veggies along with it too. So stick around. Let's see how this turns out. Okay, for our teriyaki marinade, we are going to start out with peanut oil. We are going to do 1 cup of peanut oil. To that, we are going to add about 1/4 cup of soy sauce. Then we're going to add a teaspoon of red wine vinegar. Using a tablespoon, so we'll just pour a little bit of that in there. And let's put it all in there. I add 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. 1, 2, 3. Then we add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. May want to add more later. And then I have ginger. We want to add a teaspoonish of ginger, maybe just a pinch more. There we go. Okay, then we're going to add some finely chopped green onion or scallion. This is about, I would say 3 stalks, 3 to 4 stalks. So we're putting in here, that I chopped up. And the last thing we're going to add is some sesame seeds. And we'll just put a bunch in here. Well, I shouldn't say that's the last thing because we need to add the meat. Now we will get this all stirred up. Alrighty, time to add our meat. You know me, I got a sample. Okay, this is about 1 pound of skirt steak, flat bottom round, whatever you want to call it. Get it all in here. Get it all pressed down in there. Get it all mixed up. Sometimes you just have to get your hands in there. Get it all turned around and get it mixed in good. Alright. Put the lid on it. So, let's just marinate all day. So for our grilled veggies, we've got some different assortment of peppers, a couple of zucchinis, We're going to season with some lemon zest, salt, pepper, some seasoning, and some smoked paprika. So let's get this going. Okay, so we got our vegetables all chopped up here. We're going to add our seasoning in there. Put a little bit of olive oil on here so everything sticks good. Let's get some more seasoning in there. Got them well coated here. So now I have a grilling vegetable tray here. I'm going to spread these out on like so, and we'll get them out on one of the grills here in a minute. Okay, so for this cook we're going to be using 2 Webers. We're going to use the Performer here with the John Deere lid. Now that's not original, I put that on there. And then we're going to be using the red limited edition today. So let's get some charcoal on here and get her fired up. Okay, here's our marinated meat. We're going to go ahead and start skewering these up here as best we can. Something like that. And once we get this out to the grill, it's not going to take this long to get done with how thin this stuff is. Get it on here good enough. So you kind of get the idea of what I'm going to do here. Finish up and take you out to the grill.
Creatures you fall, more and more you say, enlightenment, it's coming your way, it's coming to get you. Hurry, I'm gonna walk every line with my fishnets blind, touch and burn every curve. I try to be conservative, fell flat on my face, metallic blood taste. Love me never, Cupid doesn't live anywhere close. Chain to leather, every outfit has its own tricks. Hurry, hurry, I'm gonna walk every line with my fishnets blind, touch or burn every curve. I try to be conservative, fell flat on my face, metallic blood taste. One day my race will find you. So far my scars ain't deep enough.
Notice how red that gets when it heats up. They're just beautiful.
I need to walk every line, rip my fishnets blind, touch and burn every curve. I try to be conservative, fell flat on my face.
Okay, here's our grilled skirt steak, marinated teriyaki, grilled veggies, and some rice with a nice beverage. Let's taste this meat. Okay, here's the meat. Wow, that's delicious. Oh yeah. I love teriyaki. Let's get in here and try some of these veggies. So I got some pineapple, some zucchini, and a red pepper. Better than any store restaurant could do. That's awesome. Delicious. Wow. Cheers. So saw how I did that marinade. An ex-coworker of mine sent me that recipe. Thank you, Tammy. That was really good. Then I cut up the grilled the peppers and the zucchini. You saw what I seasoned them with there, a little lemon zest, some fresh basil and other herbs, and then a little smoked paprika to give it a little bit of a pinch of heat to it. Wiped it up the rice. That was awesome. It's just typical sticky white rice, which was really good with this. And this meal turned out great. Well, as I always say, thank you for watching. You can do this too, and grill on.